let's talk first about how to convert adult traffic like crazy, crazy gangbusters. Okay. So first off, you guys got to understand, like adult traffic, it's the coldest traffic on the planet. But when you know what you're doing, you could crush it. Okay. And also, guys, let me know if the live stream isn't fuzzy and if you can hear me and if the audio is good. Okay. What's up, bro? You from the UK? Let's go. Okay. So, all you need to do, guys, is to build more trust. Okay, with your adult traffic. So adult traffic's the same people over on YouTube or over on Facebook. Okay, but they're now on an adult site briefly. So you have an opportunity at that moment to basically promote an offer and sell to them something really great. Okay. And once again, I've said this a few times, it doesn't have to be an adult offer. Okay. It's very congruent with the traffic source to do an adult offer. Okay. But I mean, wealth offers convert, sweepstake offers convert, and health offers convert. The one thing you got to understand as well is adult traffic. It's not like you can hyper target people based off keywords. You can in some ways, like based off fetishes or whatever, which that's only if you do adult offers that would be somewhat good, but it actually increases the price if you do targeting with just keywords alone. Okay. Now, that's what I'm trying to say is like it needs to appeal to a very broad amount of people. Okay, the offer of which you're promoting needs to appeal to a lot of freaking people. If it can't do that, then you ain't gonna make much money. Okay, and you're not gonna get many conversions. So remember this: it's cold traffic, but all you gotta do is build trust. Now, how do you build trust? Okay, to build trust with adult marketing, think of individuals that are very trustworthy and likable people, and associate them to the offers you're promoting, and that's very helpful to do. Maybe get on video and be a likable individual yourself and share your story and what you recommend. Okay, I see you're freaking. Don't comment it too much, otherwise I won't answer your question, dude. Like you ask that all the time. Okay, and if you get on and share your story, okay, and do a video and recommend an offer, it's going to convert way better. Okay, video is not going away and visual is not going away. Humans are visual creatures, if you will. Okay, just understand that. And then like with an angle, okay, an angle, the way I think about a marketing angle is it comes down to the traffic source is your angle and make a bridge and a connection to the individual. So leverage a person's authority. Okay, leverage a perfect webinar script is another thing. Like get on a long form video and literally talk about the offer. Be excited about the offer. Share your story about the offer. Educate around the offer and why it matters. Leverage a real person's face. I mean like a real person, not stock footage. A lot of entrepreneurs or marketers use stock footage, okay, in their marketing messages and their sales pages. If you show someone that's well known, that's very powerful. Now, to get around that, you shouldn't say that they own the freaking sales page you're using or the lander page you're using, but you should definitely make sure that you have someone who's known, liked, and trusted already, whether it be yourself or whether it be someone else. And it's even better if that individual's congruent with the offer you're promoting. Okay. I remember listening to a very smart mentor of mine, and he's crushing it, okay, with marketing. And I asked him, what's your number one tip, okay, to marketing success? And he was like, congruency is very important. I was like, yeah, I agree. Because when you're more congruent with your messaging and copywriting and marketing in general, all the way through the funnel, you are going to get better results, guaranteed, every time. Okay. Now I'm going to start answering some questions real quick.